The Supreme Court has dismissed fugitive Indian liquor tycoon Vijay Mallya's review petitions against a May 2017 judgment of the Apex Court. That order had held him guilty of the contempt of court for violating its orders and those of the Karnataka High Court. A bench of Justices UU Lalit and Ashok Bhushan, while refusing to re-examine its verdict to convict Vijay Mallya for contempt of court and dismissing his plea, has said that his petition has no merit. The court on August 27 had reserved its judgment in a review petitions filed by fugitive Vijay Mallya against his convictions in a 2017 contempt of court case.
The Supreme Court has dismissed the review petition filed by Vijay Mallya in the contempt case against him related to the bank loan default case filed against him by a consortium of banks led by State Bank of India. The bench of Justices UU Lalit and Ashok Bhushan had reserved its verdict in the review petition on 27 August. The court took up the review petition filed by Mallya on hearing on 27 August and after a brief hearing reserved its decision. The matter had to be adjourned previously since a crucial reply filed by Mallya could not be located in the case records with the court. The Mallya is an accused in a bank loan default case of over 9,000 crore involving the now defunct Kingfisher Airline. The plea in the Apex Court was filed by a consortium of banks. On 9th May 2017, the Supreme Court has directed the liquor baron to appear before it on 10th of July after finding him guilty of the contempt of court in a bank loan default case. Soon after this order, Mallya had filed a review petition in the Supreme Court. When the matter was heard earlier, the banks had alleged that Mallya concealed facts and diverted the money to his sons Siddharth Mallya and daughter Liana and Tanya Mallyas in a flagrant violation of the orders passed by the Karnataka High Court. SBI's pleas contended that Mallya had disobeyed the court's order by making the vogue an unclear disclosure of his assets, by transferring $40 million from Diageo PLC to his children and by ignoring the summons to appear in the court. On 19th July, the court sought an explanation from its own registry as to why the review petition filed by Mallya was not listed for the last 3 years. The bench of Justices Lalit and Bhushan had noted in the last hearing that the review was filed within the period of limitation but was still not listed for 3 years. It thus called for an explanation from the Supreme Court registry as to why the case was not listed during this time. It has also asked the names of the officers involved in the process. Mallya had been declared as a fugitive economic offender by the Government of India in January 2019. The United Kingdom has recently acceded to India's request to extradite Mallya. Though he has moved the court in UK challenging the extradition order, he has not been able to secure any success. Bureau Report.